Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabli. So in this video we are going to understand how to set up webbook inside Super SaaS. So Super SaaS is an online appointment scheduling tool that helps businesses and individuals manage bookings easily. People use it to let customers book appointments, classes or services through a user-friendly interface. It's popular because it allows you to customize schedules, set availability and even take payments all in one place. Whether you run a salon, gym, or any service based business, Super SaaS helps streamline your booking process and keeps things organized, making life easier for both you and your clients. So, here in this video, we are going to understand that how you can automate the Super SaaS for transferring the data from Super SaaS to any other application on a specific event using an automation software named as Pabli Connect. So Pabli Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error free so you can focus on growing your business hustle free. So, here we are going to use Pabli Connect to automate the Super SaaS and transfer the data from Super SaaS to Pabli Connect, and further, you can transfer that data to any other application. So, here let's suppose that I use Super SaaS to store the data of all the users, and then I want to create a new contact for each of the user in any other CRM. So, for that, firstly, I need to connect my Super SaaS account with Pabli Connect, and here to build this connection, I'm going to use a type of integration that is webhook. So here webhook is going to act as a bridge between Super SaaS and Pabli Connect in order to transfer the data from Super SaaS to Pabli Connect whenever a new user is added in my Super SaaS account. And here you can see that webhooks are like an instant messengers for apps. So here let's move forward with this connection. But here before moving forward with this connection, here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our connection by simply setting up a trigger. So here in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as Super SaaS. So I'm going to select it. And now here after selecting my trigger application, here it is asking me to select the trigger event. So here I'm going to select the trigger event as new user because I want to receive the information of every new user created. And I want to create a new contact for that particular user. But here you can select the trigger event as new appointment, new form, change user, change appointment and some others event also. So here I'm using new user because here I'm using a trial account for Super SaaS and I can only receive the response for new user over here. So here I'm going to select this particular trigger event, and here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Super SaaS account with Pabli Connect. So here following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Super SaaS account. So this is my Super SaaS account, and from here I'm going to click on this integration options given in the right side corner. And here under integrations, I'm going to select my type of integration, that is webhooks over here. And now here under webhooks, you can see we can create a new webhook over here. And for creating a new webhook, here it is asking me to select the trigger. So here in this trigger option, I need to select the event similar to the one that I have selected in my Pabli's workflow. So here I'm going to select my trigger event as new user. And then here it is asking me for the target URL. So here in this target URL field, I need to enter the webhook URL that I have received in my Pabli's workflow. So this is my webhook URL. And now I'm going to click on this create webhook button given over here. And here you can see we have successfully created a webhook inside Super SaaS. That means we have successfully connected our Super SaaS account with Pabli Connect. So now let's move back to our Pabli's workflow, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to create a new test user in our Super SaaS account. So for that, let me take you back to my account. And from here, I'm going to click on this dashboard. And here under dashboard, I'm going to select user management option, and here under user management I'm going to create a new user by clicking on this new user button given over here. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and create a new user. So here for the email, I'm going to enter the email as dummy@pablitudes.com, and I'm going to enter a random password. And here for the full name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy user, random phone number. And here for the address, I'm going to enter random address, and then I'm going to create a user over here. And here you can see we have successfully created a user with the email as dummy@pablitudes.com, full name as dummy user, and created on date and time. So now let's go and check our Pabli's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the name as dummy@pablitudes.com. Here you can see the phone number, full name as dummy user, scrolling little down, and here you can see the email and the address. So with this, we have successfully set up a connection between our SuperSAS account and Pabli Connect. So now once we have set up this connection, then whenever a new user is going to create an SuperSAS account, then automatically Pabli Connect is going to capture the response. And once you receive the response over here, then you can further transfer that response to any other CRM by connecting that application with Pabli Connect in this action step given below. Okay, so these were the steps to how to set up a webhook inside SuperSAS. I hope these steps were clear to you. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabli Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabli.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabli.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabli.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.